Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the project interpreter and virtual env are correct, because the wrong interpreter masks errors. Next, place breakpoints on the exact lines you need to inspect. Breakpoints are your control points. Once done, choose the debug configuration and launch with the debug button. This attaches the debugger. You will see the debug tool window open. Make sure to watch console and frames. This first action gets you immediate control over execution, so you can step through logic instead of guessing. Now you navigate execution deliberately. You step over for the next line, step into to go inside a function, and step out to finish a call. These let you follow control flow precisely. Meanwhile, inspect variables and frames to see current object states and call stack, because understanding context explains symptoms. Add watches for expressions you care about, and use evaluate expression to run quick queries or change a variable to test fixes. Make these actions routine. They convert suspicion into exact diagnosis. To finish, apply the fix in code, then resume or stop and rerun debug to confirm the issue is resolved. You need repeatable validation. Use conditional breakpoints and logging breakpoints when pausing is too disruptive, because they let you collect state without constant interruptions. If stepping still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: verify the interpreter, project paths, and that the correct run configuration is used. Mismatched environments are the most common cause of silent debugger failures. Recreate the configuration if necessary and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.